Hey team, as we head into the festive season, I know we all want to share that Les Mills magic. Want to add a little holiday bling to your posts and show off your favourite programmes? Stay tuned. In order to demonstrate these seasonal assets, I thought I'd ask a question, and feel free to answer in the comments. What makes you truly happy this holiday season? For me, it's the last day classes, a little break is always good, the final punch in the air in combat, that last standing cobra in core, and finally that beat of sweat falling on the bike's handlebars. The Bodycombat, core and RPM social assets, as well as all the other Les Mills programs, can be downloaded from the link in description or the link that's getting shown on the video right now. Please feel free to comment below about what Les Mills program or programs make you truly happy this Christmas. Maybe you take a balance class just to chill out before all the mayhem begins. If you do use these social assets, please feel free to tag me. It's always great seeing these notifications come through. If you've not already, please consider hitting that thumbs up button, subscribing if not already, and until next time, have a fantastic festive season, stay safe and keep being you.